Right guys, the edge shed. Now obviously as you see I painted it. Oh, that is on there. I never said I was a painter, did I? And I don't like painting. So I got it on there, didn't get too many runs. And now I've got to wet flood it all off. And I've only got a few sheets of run paper it turns out. So probably a bit of trouble because we've only got one. But basically we're taking it down. We're taking all the trying to get the tube to the point of that peel off of it and to the paint. So I started, and I think there's a hell of an improvement between this part here and that part over there. So I have the whole opinion that it's just going to be a very long job. But it's coming in places. It's absolutely brilliant in places. In other places it just needs more rubbing, you see. But if I get some more run paper, then and some more enthusiasm, then the process will be coming on alright. But anyway, so that's just an update on the fact that yes, I did paint it. Yes, I'm not a painter, and yes, I have got a bit of orange peel. But then again, I've also got loads of other things which I'm not happy with, but I'm happy with it as best it goes. And a couple of explanations and sort of Q&As here is one, you know, this last year has been pretty horrendous for me, and I've not been enjoying it. And this is sort of trying to keep me going, but it's very hard on your own. And as I said before, it's easy to say, yeah, you can do all this stuff, and you can do anything you put your mind to. But the reality of it is, you got to want to. And I don't know where I'm getting the enthusiasm from, and I don't know how I got it this far, but I will say I did. So from that point of view, guys, and I'm sure once I get it flatted back, I can then get my old G3 on the mop, and I can try and get a bit of a shine better than I've got at this moment in shine. Get it? Moment in shine. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. We're cooking on. We're going for it. We're finding bits. Look, there's all the originals. There's all the back. Everything. I'm trying to find all the stuff that came out of it. Having a bit of trouble with some of it. As I said, some of it is decidedly difficult to find, and also I've got bits missing. So as stands at the moment, I think she's looking pretty good. So what I have to say, the final coat will be in when I've given it a polish, see what it looks like there. And obviously when the screen's in, rubbers on, blah blah blah. But I just hope that somebody's going to come and give me a hand, because God, I don't know. Fortunately, I've got to cut the siders, so now I'll just keep plodding on. But I am really running out of paper. I've only got one sheet left. So I don't think that's enough to do the car, is it? No, I don't think so either. So perhaps we'll have to go and get some more. Anyway, so guys, there you see it. There you've seen it in its glorious colour. That is it. That's what it's going to look like. And all I've got to do now is put it back together. Right. Ed Shed, doing the immortal American idea of colour sanding. Yes, I sprayed it. And I'm not a painter decorator. So I got a bit of orange peel, whatever, but I didn't get any rose. So we've been colour sanding it with 1500, and then we're going to mop it tomorrow. My daughter's been cleaning up the chrome, so we got the chrome cleaned, and someone tells the purpose for porpoises, low more chrome there. But I know from the point of view of people who don't care. Okay, well, you're right. Stop. That's out here. So you see this, right? So I sprayed. I'm not a painter decorator, right? So I have no idea about paint. So I sprayed it, and I got it on. I got a good thick coat on there, and I got it on really quite nice. Now, I said it was shiny in places on the bonnet, and I got a good thing, but I didn't put any thinners with the paint. So I said, well, you should put thinners with it. But if I put thinners with it, I've had loads of bloody runs. So I didn't put any thinners with it. Sorry, guys. So at the moment, what we're doing is we're colour sanding it to take out all the imperfections. Yeah, see. Now, what I'm doing is, I know it's like a bit of a bugger, because you'll follow me with it. You're probably not interested. But what I'm doing is I'm trying to take out all the marks on the mottling. You understand, like the what do they call it? Whatever they call it. Whatever they call it, I'm trying to take it out. And at the moment, because I'm going to paint on the bugger, it's actually coming quite nasty. So I'm hoping that tomorrow I can actually get it back, like, and I get the mop with some G3, it's over there that way, and I'm going to, G3 is a bloody thing. So you'll get it real time. When you're going to get this, I don't know. You might do. If you do, well, I hope you're enjoying it more now, because I'm not bloody enjoying it at all. So. But what I'm going to say is that, you know, it's actually, it's got a good coat of paint on it, so we can sand off the old egg shelling or whatever it is, or the, I've forgotten what it's called. I've got to stop drinking, guys. Anyway, so what I'm going to say is I've got, as you can see here, right, I'm getting it. Look, can you see that? A lot of this on here is actually like the colour sanded. So the idea of colour sanding, where the term, the American idea of colour sanding comes in. So I'm colour sanding. Now I'm only using, I think I've got 1500, so I'm colour sanding with 1500. And my plan is when I'm colour sanding with 1500, I'm then going to work over the G3 with the mop. And I think that'd be good enough. Don't you? Oh, come on. Remember what it looked like before? Do you remember what it looked like before I started this fiasco? Do you remember how much crap it looked and how bad it was? Yeah, well, all I put into it is time. Time. And do you know what they said before? Time's precious. Waste it wisely. So, yeah, you're right. I have been doing a lot of wasting time. But I'm actually enjoying doing it. And to be honest, guys, I actually think it's alright. I know that, you know, the people are going to be going, yeah, but, okay, well, let's do it this way. You know what? Yeah, but it's good, as far as I'm concerned. And remember, good love's hard to find. No, that's Tom Petty. We won't do that one. Right. A rust-free E-Type is hard to find. I never got lucky, babe, when I found that bastard. Anyway, so what we're going to say is this is our colour sanded car. Now, I think that's enough. Now, I am going to clean it off, wipe it down tomorrow, and I'm going to hit it with the G3 on the mop, and I'm going to see whether I can make it shine. If I can make it shine, then that's it. So remember, for all the people who are out there watching this, if you're watching, if you're interested, if you're not, don't worry about it, because I don't care. We cleaned up the original chrome. It's coming out quite nice. We've got all the original chrome bits done. We've done the cant rails, which you will get to see. My daughter's done the cant rails, so you can she's got a separate video where they're going to do it, because it just shows that you can do any of this stuff yourself. You don't have to pay 15 grand to get these cars trimmed. You really don't. You can do anything you put your mind to, and if you say you can't do it, you've already given up. So you know what? That's not in my vocabulary. I never say I can't. I can say I can bloody try. So I've tried, and I sprayed that, and I haven't sprayed a car for 30 years, and that's probably one of the best paint jobs I've ever done in my life. Certainly far better than any of the things I did years ago. Anyway, so what I'm going to say is like, you know, we've got that done. We've got it. We colour sanded it. We got it. We can mop the hell out of it tomorrow with some G3. We've got all the chrome started to reassemble. We haven't got the headlining material, and we don't have the rubbers for the court windows. But we have got the cant rails. But I can't put the cant rails or any trim in until I get this bloody mess dealt with. So that's tomorrow's job. Hey, I've redone the wire there with a mini bonnet cable. I know. So that's a mini bonnet cable. I've got these are really interesting. Look at these. These are the same as an E-Type, but look what it says on them. Can you see what that says on there? What does that say there? Can you read that? Can you read it? Left-hand driver land. So I don't know where they came from, but I'm going to use them anyway. So that's again those. We got the bumpers. We got the fella flap. We've got everything pretty good, and we've now got it actually smooth. So seat diaphragms arrived today, so we got the seat diaphragms as well. Bargain. And what I'm going to say to you guys is just remember one thing. Time is precious. Waste it bloody wisely, because we don't live forever, and we come this way once. And I think when I come this way next time, if I lose it next time, I want to come back filthy, stinking, bloody rich. I don't want to be in this shed doing this crap, right? I want to pay some idiot so I can come and complain about how bad their workmanship is. Of course I don't. That isn't me, mate. Whatever you do is good enough. So I will say that, you know, I might say one thing, but reality is I mean something different. I'm happy as long as the car gets done. And look, it's real time. That's real time rubbing down. Well, we got like, it's just dry because we got, oh, see. But, you know what I mean? Let's be honest, guys. You're seeing it live here. That's a paint job on a crap car. It's a paint job that I did, and I'm not a painter. I'm actually a bloody mechanic. So I'm actually not a mechanic, to be honest. I was a brain surgeon. I told you I was a brain surgeon, but I gave it up because I kept dipping into brains and I couldn't find any. So what I'm going to say is, there's an E-Type. It started to piece of crap. It was really bad. It's looking pretty good now. That's to be continued, alright? So I hope you get this one. If you don't, well, sod it. If you do, just remember, it could be worse. It could be you doing it. And it isn't, so it's me. Bye for now. Like, subscribe, follow me about, and stop desubscribing, because I'm going to stop that now. That's going to stop now.